In SolidWorks, the dome feature is often used to create a spherical feature to round off a face in your model. The dome feature can come in handy when you're modeling hemispheres or adding finishing touches to a surface of a model. Here I have a bottle, and I would like to apply a dome to the bottom face. To launch the dome feature, I'll click the dome icon on the Features toolbar. First, I'll select this bottom face to dome. Then, I'll set the distance to 0.5 inches. Notice that the dome is protruding outwards, which is not what I want for this part. So I'll change the direction by clicking Reverse Direction. The elliptical dome option forms the shape of a half ellipsoid, with the set height equal to one of the ellipsoid radii. This option is only available for cylindrical or conical models. I'll click the green check to exit out of the Property Manager, and the dome feature has been added. Let me edit the feature to show you a few more options. The Constraint Point or Sketch selection box allows you to select a sketch to constrain the shape of the dome. Constraint sketches are generally circles or points, but you can use different shapes depending on the shape you want to get. I'll have to first roll back the model up before the dome feature. I'll create a reference plane and offset it from the top plane by 0.5 inches. Then, I'll sketch a point coincident to the origin on the reference plane I just created. Next, I'll enable the Constraint Point or Sketch selection box and select the sketch point. When I have a sketch selected for this option, the distance and elliptical dome options are disabled, since the dome is already fully defined by the sketch. When I exit out of the Property Manager, you can see the updated results.